Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3-lockbox on guitar. First, let's get familiar with the core chords. You'll primarily use D, G, A, and E major chords. These are fundamental for the song's structure. Focus on clean fretting and smooth changes between these 4 shapes. This will build a solid foundation for the entire piece. Next, let's tackle the rhythm. 3-lockbox is in a 3/4 time signature, giving it a distinct feel. The tempo is 92 beats per minute, so a metronome will be your best friend. Focus on a syncopated strumming pattern, emphasizing the downbeats while adding up strokes for a dynamic groove. This creates the song's signature drive. Now, let's dive into the main riff, which features power chords and a cool pull-off technique. You'll use shapes like D5 and G5. The riff has a slightly funky feel, so pay close attention to the timing of each note. Practice the pull-offs cleanly to ensure each note rings out. This riff is key to capturing the song's energy. Finally, it's time to put all the elements together. Start slowly, integrating the chords, strumming pattern, and main riff. Gradually increase your speed until you reach the 92 beats per minute tempo. Play along with the original recording to refine your timing and feel. With consistent practice, you'll be rocking 3-lockbox in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.